In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to seamlessly sell Amazon products on Shopify by integrating the two platforms, managing your listings, and setting up order fulfillment. Let's dive right in and get started on transforming your online selling experience. To kick things off, you'll first need to set up a professional Amazon seller account. This step is crucial for anyone looking to sell on Amazon and seamlessly integrate with Shopify. Once you've signed up for a professional seller account, if you haven't already, you'll want to create your product listings. This can be done directly within your Shopify admin by navigating to the sales channels, choosing Amazon, and then selecting Create Listing. This is essential for showcasing the products you're ready to sell. Remember, synchronization is key. Make sure your inventory updates and any new orders are perfectly synchronized between Shopify and Amazon to avoid any hiccups. Moving on, let's integrate Amazon with Shopify, an important step in ensuring both platforms work hand in hand. Head over to your Shopify admin, find Settings, then click on Apps and Sales Channels, and you'll see an option called Marketplace Connect. Click Open App here. You'll then follow the on-screen instructions to link your Amazon seller account to Shopify. This step will set the foundation for all your further integrations and management. Now, let's focus on managing your listings and inventory. You have the flexibility to either link your existing Amazon listings to Shopify or create new ones within the Listings section of the Amazon sales channel in Shopify. Deciding how to handle your inventory is another important decision. You can choose to track inventory, either using Shopify's settings or those of Amazon. Make sure to synchronize product information such as descriptions, prices, and images, ensuring they are consistent across both platforms. This not only helps in maintaining a professional presence, but also in providing a coherent customer experience. With your listings set up, the next big task is fulfilling orders. As orders come in, whether from Amazon or Shopify, they'll be reflected in your Shopify admin. It's vital to establish a robust fulfillment process for handling shipping and deliveries through your Shopify store. Staying on top of order fulfillment is critical to ensure customer satisfaction and smooth operations. Then, optimize your Shopify store. Keep product information updated and consistent across platforms, including descriptions, pricing, and images. Exceptional customer service goes a long way, so responding promptly to inquiries and swiftly resolving issues will bolster your store's reputation. Additionally, consider utilizing apps that support dropshipping or automate fulfillment. These tools can streamline your operations, making the entire process more efficient. And there you have it. By integrating Amazon and Shopify, managing your listings and inventory, and setting up order fulfillment, you're on your way to enhancing your e-commerce venture. Thanks for watching, and I hope this guide helps you create a successful online selling strategy. See you next time. You next.